Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Video Class 6 chapter 5 because little revision will do wherever required. Okay, and if you have any doubts you can just send your queries within 2 days. Okay, so now in this exercise 5C is important, of course, with the properties. So let us see few examples from solved examples. Okay, so by rearranging the given numbers, evaluate. This is page number 37 and we are just seeing few examples. You can see few examples. By rearranging the given numbers, evaluate. Rearranging means arrange in such a way that your multiplication becomes easier. So you can see 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 5. So if I multiply 2 with 5, 2 5s are 10 and 10 9s are 90. This becomes very easy because directly if I do 2 9s are 18 and 18 5s are, if I don't know table of 18, I don't know anything. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll choose two numbers in such a way that their multiplication comes 10 or power of 10. So 2 5s are 10 is coming. So 10 9s are 90. It is so simple. In this case what we'll do, we'll multiply 4 multiplied by 25. It will give me 100. So 398 multiplied by 100. In this case you can see 125 multiplied by 8. 125 multiplied by 8. Okay. So that will give you 1000. You can see here 125 multiplied by 483 multiplied by 8. So I have made group of 125 and 8 which is giving me a 1000 multiplied by 483. Okay. You have to multiply such two numbers which give you 10, 100, 1000 or any power of 10. Okay. Now this is again some different type of question. Now here instead of 3, now here there were only 3 numbers which were multiplied. Here in this case you will see there are 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to do grouping in such a way that both, again it becomes easier for you for further calculation. So what I'll do is just check 4 multiplied by 125 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5. So if you will see 4 8s are 32. Okay, but if I multiply 4 5s are, it will give 20 and 125 8s are, it will give 1000. So this becomes more easier. 4 5s are means 4 and 5 and 125 into 8. So these two groupings I have made, one of 4 and 5, other next one is 125 and 8. So 4 5s are 20, 125 8s are 1000, multiply, you get the answer. Okay, similarly here in this case, okay, in this case you will see 25 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 8. So here what is done is 8 is written 4 multiplied by 2. If you don't want directly you can write 8. 5 8s are 40. 50 into 8 you can have grouping of this 50 into 8. 5 8s are 40, that is 50 into 8 is will be 400. 400 into 25 you know 10,000. Okay, so no, it's okay, you can avoid this step. Directly you can write 8 also. 50 into 8 400 multiplied by 25. That will also be easier. Now you can see use various properties to evaluate. Now so here you can see 397 multiplied by 7 plus 397 multiplied by 3. So in this case you can see this and these are two important segments. So in this what is common in these two? 397 is common, means 397 is present here also and 397 is present here also. So what I have to do is I have to separate 397 multiplied by what is left, 7 plus 3. 397 I have removed out and what is left inside is 7 plus 3. So 397 multiplied by 7 plus 3, 10. So 397 into 10, 3970. Okay. Similarly in second one, 479 I have to take out. What remains in the bracket is 87 plus 13. Here you can see 828, 828. 828 common, 828 is common. So in bracket what remains is 101 minus 1. Because multiplied by 1 will be there. Okay. 101 minus 1. Now 664 multiplied by 32 minus 664 multiplied by 7. In these two, what is common? 664 is common, which has to be written outside. In bracket, what will be left is 32 minus 7. Okay, you can go. You can see the solved examples. You can go through the solved examples and just do the revision. Okay. Now, I am taking only important parts. So, which if you have any doubt, you can ask. Let's now, chapter 6. Chapter 6 is negative numbers and integers. Very easy, you know. We have solved, only one exercise was there. What was important is how you add and subtract, okay, with integers. So, when both the integers are positive, means two integers are there and both are positive. So, what is add them and assign plus sign to the result. So, if both numbers or both integers are positive, we should add them and assign plus sign. Okay, see, both are positive, add, assign plus sign, and even if you don't assign, that's all right. Rule 2, when both the integers are negative, add them and assign minus sign to the result. When both the integers are negative, add them, so minus and minus means we are adding them. Minus plus minus gives you minus in the final result, means in addition and subtraction. Remember this thing. In addition, when we add two negative integers, we get answer as negative, but we have to add them. Okay. So when you get two negative integers and you have to add them, just add them the way you add and assign minus sign to it. So minus minus here becomes plus, but sign comes of minus in case of addition and subtraction, because again rules change for multiplication. So every time you have to underline that when minus minus plus, but sign comes of minus, okay, in addition and subtraction. So 43 plus 55 is 98, and according to rule minus sign comes. Here also 123 minus 123 plus minus 507 gives minus 630 according to rule. Now third rule is when both the integers are of opposite sign. Means if one is negative, other is positive, or other is positive, one is negative. What you have to do is you have to subtract and assign sign of greater number. Okay, so 38 plus 72, you have to subtract. So 72 minus 38 is 34. And which integer is greater, 38 or 72? 72 is greater. What is that sign? Plus. So here plus. Okay. Now in this case, if both the integers are opposite sign, means one is minus, other is plus, obviously you have to subtract. Always you have to subtract and assign sign of greater integer. So here in this case you will subtract. After subtracting you got 52. But what you will understand, what sign you should assign? You should assign sign of greater integer. So 95 and 43, which is greater? 95 is greater. What is its sign? Minus is. So assign minus sign. Okay. So that's all. Subtraction of integers. So you can see subtraction of integers also. 8 minus 5 is 3. Minus 8 minus 5. You know, in addition and subtraction, minus minus is plus and sign comes of minus. We have studied rules, so accordingly only you have to go. Minus minus plus you have to do. So I have 8 plus 5 is 13 and assign sign of minus, and we are only talking about addition and subtraction. Okay. So 8, now in this case 8 minus minus 5. So minus, this minus minus becomes plus here. Why? Before bracket, if minus sign is there, inside sign will change. So this minus becomes plus here. So 8 plus 5, 13. Similarly here also, before bracket minus, if minus minus is there, just it becomes plus and minus 3. See, now again rule, if two integers are of opposite sign, what will happen? You have to subtract and sign will come of greater integer. So according to rules, answer will come. Okay. So in next video, we'll see the chapter number 22 and 26. Okay. Thank you so much and please take care.